I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to delete a repost on TikTok. Have you ever reposted something on TikTok and then thought, maybe I shouldn't have shared that? Whether it's a change of heart or just keeping your feed curated, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll show you how to quickly and easily delete a repost on TikTok. Now let's walk through the steps to delete a repost on TikTok. Step 1. Open TikTok on your iPhone, iPad, or Android device. You'll land on your TikTok home screen. Step 2. Tap the profile icon in the menu along the bottom of the screen. Your TikTok profile screen is shown. Step 3. Tap the repost icon, which features two arrows moving in a circle. In the space below that icon, you'll now see all of the items you've ever reposted on TikTok. Step 4. Tap to view the item you reposted that you want to delete the repost for. That TikTok video is displayed. Step 5. Tap the share icon on this screen. The Send To menu opens. Step 6. Tap Remove Post at the top of this menu. You'll see a message along the top of this screen letting you know that this repost has been removed. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.